Enjoy the journey of learning with Anil Kumar. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Here is another beautiful question based on grade 9 EQAO. I'm only taking care of questions which have creative thinking involved. Question number 3 is: a boat travels 12 kilometers at a bearing of 030 degrees from port B to the island A. It then travels 10 kilometers at a bearing of 120 degrees to its destination in island C. How far is the boat from the starting point? A diagram is provided for better understanding. Also, see, when we talk about bearing angle, in that case, we are talking about angle from the north clockwise. So, bearing angle of 30 degrees basically means from north 30 degrees. Do you see that? And then it says it then travels 10 kilometers at a bearing of 120 to its destination. So, this is that angle 120 from A to destination C. You understand? So that helps you to understand what are bearing angles and how do we use them to solve questions. Now, many students in grade 9 may not be knowing this. That is why I'm explaining. Correct. Now, in the given situation, you can see that we have blue lines facing the north. That means they are parallel lines. Since these are parallel lines, we can say that the angle formed at A should be 150 degrees, right? Because 30 and 150 should form a linear pair. So it will add to 180 degrees, and that's why we get that as 50. You can also see that 120 degrees is given to us from the other side. So now, can you tell me what is the measure of angle? Let's focus on the diagram. What is the measure of the angle BAC? Now, BAC is this angle. So, total is 360, and therefore, from 360 degrees, we'll take away 150 and 120, right? So, we'll take away 150 and we'll also take away 120 degrees, correct? To get the angle BAC. Makes sense? So, when you take away from 360, 150, and 120, so 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 11 you can borrow is, from take away 2, it'll be 9, right? So we get 90 degrees. Do you see that? So this angle here will be 90 degrees. So we have a right triangle. So that shows that triangle BAC is a right triangle. Makes sense? Now it becomes simple. Since we can now apply the Pythagorean theorem. So we can say that BC square, which is the hypotenuse, since this is the right angle here, is same as 12 square plus 10 square. Perfect. So which is 144 plus 100, which is 244, correct? So BC is going to be square root of 244. And we can now use the calculator to find the answer. So square root of 244 will give us 15.6. And therefore, the option is B. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. So once you find that the triangle BAC is a right angle triangle, then you can use Pythagorean theorem to find the distance of the boat at sea from the original point B, as shown here. So I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. In case you want free PDF, printable PDF, you can always send an email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.